In the high stakes world of modern warfare, air superiority remains a critical factor in achieving strategic dominance. As nations strive to gain the upper hand, the development and deployment of cutting edge stealth aircraft have become a top priority. These stealthy marvels, equipped with advanced technologies to evade detection, have become the prized possessions of the world's leading military powers. In this video, we delve into the 5 best stealth aircraft in the world 2024, exploring their capabilities, development, and the countries that have mastered their cutting edge technology. 5. South Korea KAI KF-21 Bora. Emerging stealth aircraft on the global stage is the KAI KF-21 Boram, a joint collaboration between South Korea and Indonesia. The KF-21 is set to enter active service in 2026 and will be available for export to other nations. While the KF-21 may not possess the same level of stealth capabilities as the F-35 Lightning II or the Chengdu J-20, it still boasts impressive performance characteristics including a top speed of Mach 1.81 and a range of 620 miles. 4. Turkey's TAI-TF Khan. Joining the ranks of the world's stealth aircraft is the TAI-TF Khan, a proposed fifth-generation fighter being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI) in collaboration with BAE Systems. Designed to serve as an air superiority fighter for the Turkish Air Force, the TF Khan is set to incorporate a range of advanced stealth features including a reduced radar cross-section, internal weapons base, and a composite material fuselage. The TF Khan's development has been driven by Turkey's desire to establish its own domestic defense industry and reduce its reliance on foreign military equipment. With a target of entering service by 2028, the aircraft is expected to boast impressive capabilities including the ability to supercruise and carry a diverse array of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. 3. The United States F-35 Lightning II. At the forefront of the stealth aircraft revolution is the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, a multi-role combat aircraft that has been hailed as one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Designed to replace a variety of aging aircraft, the F-35 has been exported to a growing number of US allies including the United Kingdom, France, and South Korea, solidifying its status as a global powerhouse. The F-35's impressive computing power and sensor suite provides the pilot and other military units with unparalleled situational awareness, allowing them to make informed decisions in the heat of battle. Additionally, the aircraft's single-engine design and streamlined maintenance requirements have made it a more cost-effective option compared to its predecessor, the F-22 Raptor. Number 2. China's Chengdu J-20. Emerging as formidable contender in the stealth aircraft arena is China's Chengdu J-20, a single-seat twin-engine fighter that has been dubbed the Mighty Dragon. Bearing a striking resemblance to the American F-22 Raptor, the J-20 has been designed to challenge the dominance of the United States and its allies in the skies. The J-20 boasts impressive capabilities including the ability to carry a diverse array of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles as well as a top speed of Mach 2. Its stealth features including a reduced radar cross-section and the use of radar-absorbent materials have been the subject of intense scrutiny and speculation, with some analysts suggesting that the aircraft may have been influenced by stolen technology from the F-22 and F-35 programs. Number 1. Russia's Mikoyan MiG-41. Russia's answer to the challenge of modern stealth aircraft is the Mikoyan MiG-41, a highly advanced 5th generation or possibly even 6th generation fighter. Designed to replace the aging MiG-31 Interceptor, the MiG-41 aims to push the boundaries of performance and stealth capabilities. Rumored to be capable of reaching speeds in excess of Mach 4, the MiG-41 would possess the ability to intercept and engage targets at extreme ranges, including the potential to shoot down hypersonic missiles. Its advanced stealth features, including radar-absorbent materials and a unique aerodynamic design, are intended to make the aircraft nearly invisible to enemy detection systems.